Hey y'all, it's SharonB, LifeBySharonB. Normally I bring you job leads and side hustles, but today I've got something a little different. Did you know there are cleaning apps that can pay you $20, $30, sometimes even $35 an hour? Whether it's cleaning houses, vacation rentals, or even commercial buildings, these apps are helping people create flexible side income. Stay with me until the end, because the last app pays more than most people expect and could turn into steady weekly income. App 1, Homeaglow. First up is Homeaglow. This app focuses on residential cleaning jobs. Once you sign up, the app shows you real-time job opportunities in your area. Here's why it's good. You pick which jobs you want, when you want. There's no minimum. You also keep 100% of your tips, and trust me, tips can add up. For example, some cleaners I've seen online say they worked a 3-hour gig at around $22 an hour, and then walked away with an extra $40 tip. This one focuses on vacation rentals, think Airbnb and short-term stays. When guests check out, the host needs fast turnovers, and that's where you come in. The cool thing here is transparency. Pay is shown up front before you accept, that means no surprises. And if you're in a busy travel city like Orlando, Miami, Phoenix, or Atlanta, you could easily pick up multiple cleanings a day. Imagine doing 2 or 3 Airbnb turnovers on a Saturday that could bring in a few $100s in just one day. App 3, Tidy. Third is Tidy. Unlike other apps, here you actually set your own rates and availability. That makes it closer to building your own business, but with an app that handles the clients. That's because repeat clients can rebook you directly. Fourth is Angie Services for Pros, formerly Handy. This is one of the biggest platforms in the home services space. They have cleaning jobs in tons of cities. Here's why it's useful: steady flow. If you want consistency, Angie can help fill your calendar. Pay rates vary, but in larger cities, cleaners can make $20 to $25 an hour plus tips. And if you ever want to expand beyond cleaning into handyman or furniture assembly, Angie also lists those gigs, so you're not limited. App 5, GigSmart, commercial cleaning. And finally, GigSmart. This one is different because it focuses on commercial cleaning jobs. Think offices, warehouses, and larger spaces. Since these jobs are bigger, the pay is often higher. Instead of $15 an hour like many part-time jobs, you might see $25 to $35 an hour or even flat rates like $150 for a half-day job. If you want to work evenings or weekends when offices are closed, this is a great option. Be reliable, show up on time. Don't be afraid to ask for reviews or repeat business outside the app. Building long-term clients is where the real money is. So that's 5 cleaning apps you can use in 2025: Homeaglow, Keepers, Tidy, Angie Services, and GigSmart. Drop it in the comments. I love hearing your feedback. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell because I post new job leads and side hustles every single day. And if you're into delivery or courier work, check out my Amazon Delivery Essentials list in the description.
Okay, so here's how you can start your own cleaning company as an independent contractor. Now remember, as an independent contractor, that means you set your own hours, you make your own schedule, so you actually determine how much you get paid based off of that. With this specific company, you are allowed to send other people in on your behalf, which makes it more of your own cleaning company, and you can also take people on shift with you. Now, you do have to get approval from the clients before doing so, but it is possible. It took about 2 weeks for my background check to come back. Well, mine took about a week, but it tells you that it takes 2 weeks for it to come back. And it took me about $30 to go and get all of the cleaning supplies from Dollar Tree. But anyways, you want to go to your app store, type in Homeaglow for cleaners, and you want to download the app. Now, the most that I've made on one job is $170, and that was with a $120 tip. Now, I've gotten tipped less than that as a server, so I'm not complaining. Jobs do vary, but the least I've seen is about $40. Yeah, and everything isn't as messy as that video that y'all seen some of them, it is really simple.
Here's how you're going to get paid to clean people's Airbnbs. First thing you're going to want to do is download the Turno app. That's Turno. You're going to make a cleaner's account, and then you are going to take a multiple choice quiz. Once you pass the quiz, then you are going to schedule an onboarding call. They're just going to show you how to work the app, how to make bids, how to accept bids, how to become a part of someone's team. And then once you are done that call, you are free to apply for as many cleaning jobs as you want. You basically have to bid for different jobs, put your price, and if they want to hire you, then they accept your bid and you can become a part of their team if they like your work.